In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Mailerlite campaigns. We'll use Zapier to bridge Google Analytics 4 and Mailerlite so that specific analytics events can automatically update your audience or add people to a group you'll target in campaigns. Before we start, make sure you have access to your GA4 property, your Mailerlite account, and a Zapier account with permission to create automations. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Zapier. Click the official Zapier result to head to the site, then sign in. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create and choose Zaps to start building your automation. A Zap has two parts: a trigger, which starts the workflow, and an action, which is what happens next. For the Trigger app, select Google Analytics 4. When Zapier asks which event should kick things off, choose an event such as New Conversion Event. This means any time that conversion fires in GA4, your Zap will run. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Authorize Zapier, then pick the correct GA4 property and view or data stream so the Zap listens to the right place. Now set up the action. Search for and select Mailerlite as the action app. Choose the action that fits your goal. Add Update Subscriber is great if you want to create a subscriber or refresh their details whenever the conversion happens. Add Subscriber to Group is ideal when you want to drop contacts into a specific group you'll use in a campaign or automation. Connect your Mailerlite account, then select the group you want these contacts to go to. If you already have a segment created for your campaign, pick it here. Next, map your fields. Zapier will show the data coming from GA4 on the left and the fields in Mailerlite on the right. Match what you have available, such as email and name, to the corresponding Mailerlite fields. Only map data you're allowed to use and avoid sending sensitive information. If a field is required in Mailerlite, be sure it's filled. Otherwise, the action may fail. Run a test to confirm the data flows correctly. Zapier will try a sample event and show you what it's sending to Mailerlite. Check that the right group is selected and the fields look accurate. If everything checks out, turn on your automation. From here on, when that GA4 conversion occurs, your audience in Mailerlite will update automatically, helping you target campaigns and automations with fresh, relevant data. That's it. You've connected Google Analytics 4 to Mailerlite campaigns using Zapier in a clean, reliable way.